If rain is coming through your Tampa roof after a storm, protect people first and limit interior damage without climbing onto the roof. Move everyone away from a sagging ceiling, active electrical fixtures, or water near outlets. If the ceiling is bulging, do not stand beneath it. Turn off power to the affected area only if you can reach the correct breaker from a dry, safe location. Place a container under a steady drip and move furniture, electronics, and dry belongings away. Photograph the room and the visible water path before cleanup, but never delay leaving an unsafe area to take pictures. From the ground, note missing shingles, lifted flashing, damaged vents, or debris. Do not walk on a wet roof, stretch a tarp across it, or use a ladder during wind, rain, or lightning. A stain may appear several feet from the roof opening because water can travel along decking or framing. Mark the stain edge lightly and note whether it grows during the next rain. That information can help an inspection trace the entry point. Call trained help when water is entering, the roof surface is damaged, the ceiling is sagging, or the source cannot be found safely from indoors. Keep receipts and contact your insurer about documentation requirements without assuming the loss is covered. To locate a roof leak service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.